welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today in the kitchen, I am cooking some creamy smoked carrot soup. Yes, it's gonna have a little bit of a smoke hint to it. It's gonna be creamy, it's gonna be delicious. So, let me give you my ingredients. So, I have 32 ounces of carrots. I've already started them to boiling, and I've got a half a cup of diced onions. I wanna go ahead and put those in there so they can start cooking while I show you the rest of my ingredients. So I have a half teaspoon of each. I have some paprika, some oregano, basil, black pepper, and salt. I have a half a stick of butter, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and some heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna stir this up. Go ahead and let those carrots cook down. And I'm gonna add all my seasonings to it, and I'll be back. So while my carrots and the seasonings and spices are cooking and boiling, I wanna tell you a little bit about what I've been doing. I've been having these things called weeks. They're food weeks. And so, for instance, I'll have a beef week or a pork week or a Cajun week or soup and salad week. I've been doing these things on Facebook if you guys have been on my Facebook channel. This week is soup and salad week. So my carrot soup will be in this week. But if you have not seen the weeks on Facebook, or if you're not on Facebook, I also put a little short video on YouTube and on my channel so that you can see. It's just a quick little version showing you some of the things that happened in that week. So if it were a soup and salad week, you may see 3 or 4 different soups and 3 or 4 salads in that video. And it may just be pictures of them, but not just me cooking. And if you see the pictures of them, then of course you can always go to the actual video of that particular food and see the entire video of me cooking it. So what I'm gonna do right now is check my carrots, see if they're done. I'm just gonna poke them with a fork, see if they're soft enough. And as long as the fork will go through them, then they're done. If they're done, then I'm gonna go ahead and strain them. And while I'm doing that, you know what I need you guys to do? That's right, go hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, make sure you guys get all of my videos so that you can go out, tell all your friends, family, and share with the world. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and check these. So my carrots are ready. Let me just let you get a good look at these. They are soft, they are ready. I'm turning this fire down, the temperature off. I'm so used to a gas stove with fire. But anyway, I'm gonna turn that off. Go ahead and put these in my strainer. I'm straining them into the skillet because I want to keep this liquid. Gonna use that liquid, some good flavored liquid. I'm gonna keep this pot right here because we're gonna put the soup back in this pot to finish it. Okay. Put this over here. Let's turn this on. Oh, that is off. Okay. Liquid up here out of the way. I'm gonna put these carrots in our blender. Okay, my carrots are nice and drained, so I'm gonna put those in the blender. Okay, I am going to take 1 heaping spoonful. You see I have these big spoons that I use. I am going to put, let me put 2 in there. 2 teaspoons of that liquid in there to help it blend up. Okay, that should be nice and creamy. Let's see what we're working with here. Oh, that's perfect. That is perfect. Check this out. See, it's already creamy. So what I'm going to do is pour this back into the pot. I'll bring you guys a little closer so you can see. You know what I want to do first is take this blade out of here. I'm not trying to cut myself today. Let me get a little of this off of here. I don't want to waste any of my carrots. Okay, I'll get that off of there. I'm going to pour the rest of this in here. All right, so remember I told you about this liquid? I'm going to put this liquid back in here. There we go. And turn this on, stir this up. Look at how nice and creamy that's getting. Look at that. Look at that. At this point, I'm going to add my butter. I have a half a stick of butter. I'm going to cut it in half. That'll make it melt a little faster. Cut it in a couple pieces. I'll make it last. There we go. I have 1.5 cups of water. I'm going to add that. I know you're saying, oh, it's not going to be creamy anymore. It's going to be too watery. No, it's not. Look at this. It's still creamy. Ooh, I wish you could smell it. There's just something about food when it's cooking and if it's smelling good. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. It's going to be creamy. Look at that. Now, for those of you who say you don't like carrots, try this. Try this. I'm just going to let this heat up, simmer for about 5 minutes, and we're going to taste it. Okay, so our soup is done. I'm going to turn that off, give it one last stir. Oh, it smells so good. Look at this. Now tell me that don't look good. Nice and creamy. Yes. Time to taste it. Oh, that was quick, easy. Only thing that takes a long time, really, and it really wasn't that long, is for the carrots to boil. You want to make sure they boil long enough so that they're soft and done. Carrots, they're thick. So you want to make sure they're done. I just want to taste it. Mess over here, but that's all right. I just want to taste it. It's hot. Oh, the carrots are sweet. I don't know if you know that. Carrots are sweet. And with that little smokiness from the paprika, this is different and it's good. It's just hot. I can't taste it like I want to. Ooh, give me a second, y'all. Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This is good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, you know, it's all about presentation with me. So I am going to, I have some green onions. I'm going to plate up a bowl just to show you. Okay, so I am going to just plate this up right quick. A nice big spoonful. You guys see that? There we go. I'm gonna put a couple of green onions on there. If you want, you can sprinkle a little crushed black pepper on there. There we go. That is my smoky, creamy carrot soup in Lavonne's kitchen. So I am going to cut me a piece of French bread, give me a big spoon, eat this, and guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.